Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Minecraft launcher won't install from the Microsoft Store. So just follow the complete steps and watch this video till the end. So let's get started. What you can do here is just open up the search menu and right here WS reset. It will show you this option with the option to run the command prompt. Just right click and click on run as administrator and it will open up the command prompt. And at the same time, it will open up the Microsoft Store as well. Now from here, you can just try again, just sign in with your details and you should be good to go. Now, if the problem is still not resolved, what you can do is just make sure your date and time according to your region is correct. So here it is, I believe it's correct, but if you feel that it's not correct, you can just right click here and click on adjust date and time. And after that, you can just scroll down. Just make sure to change the time zone to your relevant time zone and then set the time automatically. Show the time and date on the system tray if you want to. Otherwise, you can just uncheck this. And if you feel that all the time zones and other details are correct and the time is not showing correctly, so you don't have to correct it manually. You just scroll here and click on sync now. Now after that, just close out of here, and something else what you need to do is just open up the start menu and just write here CMD. Just right click, it will show you this command prompt option. Just right click here, click on run as administrator, because it's preferred if you want to use the full functions, you need to have the administrator access. So click yes. Now here, wherever you are, just write here IP config, give a space / and just write flush DNS. Just make sure that you don't give a space between that. Hit enter and it will show you that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So that's one thing we need to do. The other thing we need to do here is just write here net sh space winsock and give a space again and write here reset. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. I won't be mentioning this in description. You can just pause it at this point and you can just copy and write the same thing. Hit enter and it will again show you this success message that successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So let me just quickly restart this. I'll just fast forward the restarting process. And after restarting, just quickly log in with your credentials. And there you go, guys. I hope this will solve your problem of the Microsoft Store error. Now, if you're still facing this problem, just comment down below and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Thank you and take care.